What is going on, guys? Welcome to another video. As you guys can tell by the title of this video, this is the banned funded account strategy video where we have 4 funded accounts and we full port 2 in the buy direction, 2 in the sell direction, pass the first challenge, then full port those next 2 to pass the second challenge and see where it takes us. I have no clue if this is going to work. This has been recommended to me by pretty much everyone in my Discord, everyone in my comments saying, I don't know if this is going to work, but you should try it because you have the money and you have a prop firm, so you can do it. So, with that being said, I'm going to attempt this, and even better, today, there's CPI news data that comes out, I believe, really soon, actually. I need to double check on Forex Factory when it comes out, but we are essentially going to be full porting funded accounts on CPI news data. So, this should hit stop loss super quick and should be able to hit take profit super quick. So first of all, let's break down how this is going to work. Like I said before, I have 4 200K funded accounts loaded up in my MetaTrader right now, okay? And from there, what I'm going to do, and again, I have no idea if this is going to work, so don't just jump on and go and do this. But if it does work, maybe you should if you want to just instantly pass a funded account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have 2 of those 4 accounts and I'm going to full port longs. So if price goes up a bunch, then awesome, I pass on those 2 accounts. And then same thing in the opposite direction. Okay, I'm going to do 2 funded accounts, full port shorts. Okay, so if it goes down, awesome, those 2 will pass. You're probably saying, well, why do you want 2 to pass? Because we have another phase, another challenge to try and pass, to try and, beat. Okay, from there, next challenge, same thing, but we split the 2 accounts. Okay, so now we have 1 account that full ports longs, another account that full ports shorts. Okay, again, same thing, whichever one wins, boom, perfect. We just passed the challenge. Supposedly. Okay, we're going to try and do this so that 1, I don't break any drawdown rules, and 2, I'm actually able to pass. Okay, this is going to be a challenge for myself, but again, there's going to be no stop losses involved, no take profits involved. We're just full porting and seeing where this takes us and seeing if this is an actual valid strategy, because a lot of people have asked me to make this video like, yo, what would happen if you just used 2 accounts and full ported on both of them? And then I was like, wait, hold on, I could game this a little bit more. What happens if we use 4 so we can pass both challenges? And I even had someone recommend, and maybe we can do this for another video, an updated banned funded account strategy video, where you get 8 accounts and do this. Split the 4, you pass the first phase. Split the 8, boom, pass the first phase, you have 4 accounts now. Split the second, boom, now you have 2 accounts that have fully passed, and then from there, you full port those 2 accounts and instantly get a payout. Now we're big braining this. That could be an infinite money glitch. So who knows how this video goes? We'll see. And if it does well, and if I'm actually able to pass, maybe I do the 8 account strategy at the end of this. But with that being said, let's hop on the charts and let me get these MetaTrader 4 accounts loaded up and let's get to trading. Okay, so as we can see, we have CPI, all of this is just CPI news data that comes out at 9:30 a.m. Okay, it's currently 8:46. So what we're going to do right now is kind of just gear up, set up all the accounts, and honestly, we'll probably place the trades right around 9:15-ish. And then from there, we'll keep you guys updated and see where price wants to go. Okay, so I honestly think my best bet for this type of, I guess, strategy, which isn't necessarily a strategy, is going to be on a foreign exchange pair, not an index, because indexes tend to be super volatile during these news events. So what can happen is it'll go up and then it'll go down and then it'll go up. It'll just be like super large range of consolidation and lots of liquidity sweeps back and forth. However, with Forex, usually it's something just like this, and you can make a pretty solid gain on it. So I think that's what we're going to be banking on today. And also with the prop firm that I'm using, one of one funding, I think TJR 10 saved you 10% off at checkout. if you use one-of-one funding, the foreign exchange, it's easier to use leverage and easier to calculate through like one of the contract size calculators, especially on Purple Trading, which is the broker that it is connected to. So that being said, we're going to hop on to MetaTrader 4 real quick, and then I'll show you guys and kind of walk you guys all the accounts real quick. Okay, so as we can see on my little screen recording right here, I am able to delete all of these Forex pairs and then go over here and then add the correct GBP USD. So I'm actually able to trade on it. Perfect, we're on this, and I already did the same for the 4 other accounts that we have loaded up right now. Okay, so all of these are 200K accounts. Okay, so we have 200 grand in all 4 of these accounts, and we are going to see if this thing will load. See if we are going to be able to full port these and make some money. Okay, so we have 4 200K accounts. We're going to full port all 4 of them in both directions. Okay, and we're going to see where this will take us. All right. Okay, so now that that is all set up, we are now on the Forex lot size calculator. Okay, so this is actually my favorite one, securities.io, and it's, whoa, this is a new feature that they added. Bet. Literally gives you trading view thing. Okay, so anyways, what I like to do is use this because a lot of Forex lot size calculators, they're really weird and they give you like a bunch of parameters that you have to look through and like go around, and that's not really what I like to do. Okay, so first thing, how do we calculate lot size? Some of you guys might be new here, might be new to my sort of videos. This is something that I preach all the time. First of all, choose the pair, choose the currency that it's in, US dollar. Write down your account balance. In our case, it is $200,000. Okay, and then the stop loss and pips. We don't have a stop loss. So what we're going to do is just make up a stop loss where we could see price like potentially going to. So like on this, we could give this like we want to make this relatively quick too. So if we have a 30 pip stop loss, that means we're giving price 30 pips to the upside and to the downside to be able to either stop us out or make us funded. Okay, so I think maybe we make it a little bit larger, like 35. See, now I'm already getting too technical with it. I know this should just be full port fun day. Maybe we just put it in, yeah, I think 35 is perfect. Okay, so we're gonna go with a 35 pip stop loss. Okay, and then I'll bring you guys back over to the screen recording really quick because this is something that matters. So the pip size we don't mess with, but the contract size, and this is freaking awesome, tells you already how to do it. So right now I'm screen recording. And if you guys don't know how to find the contract size per unit per lot, just look at the screen right now. I'm going to click on the Forex pair on MetaTrader 4. Then I'm going to click details. And then boom, right there, if you can see in the middle, it says contract size. Okay, so our contract size already lines up with the one that they gave us, 100,000 contracts or 100,000 units per lot. That is pretty standard amongst pretty much every single foreign exchange brokerage. The only time it gets different is usually with crypto, with indexes, and with commodities. Brokers typically have different units per lot size on their brokerages, just based off of like, I don't know, leverage that you're using or just their overall broker parameters. Okay, and then from there, once we get that, perfect, we have the same units, the contract size, units per lot, okay? And then the risk, we want to do 5% risk because, if we go here, one-of-one funding, oops, and we see my beautiful face. Then we scroll down, we can see that the flat daily loss is 5%. So that means we want to risk 5% so that if it hits our stop loss at 35 pips, then we'll be completely taken out of it, right? Or we're not even going to set a stop loss. But also we want to be using the max amount of leverage and the max amount of, or the max lot size that we can use to hopefully be able to hit this first profit target. And again, this is the one stipulation with this where the second challenge, it'll be instant, right? It's just getting past the first challenge because our flat daily loss is 5% versus the first target is 8%. So what happens if price goes down and the buy positions get stopped out because they hit that flat daily loss, but the sell positions don't fully hit 8% gain? That's where we could get messed up. So this is why this strategy might not work every single time, and that's really the main thing that we need to get over. And then the second phase, it'll be easy because our flat daily loss is 5%, and the second profit target is just 5%. So if it goes down 5%, or if it goes up 5%, you lose one and you win one automatically. Okay, another great thing about this, there's no time limit. That probably won't even apply to us just because we're placing all these trades in one day and we're getting it done. And then obviously one of the big lucrative things with this is 100% profit split. And what I kind of plan on doing is I won't obviously, go and try and make a bunch of money on this, but what I will do and what I can do is I'll full port these accounts, and then if I am able to actually pass and get one account funded, I'll full port that one as well. And that's probably how we will wrap up the video. Okay, so we figured out all of that. We understand that our risk is 5%. Okay, so boom, we want to calculate this, and perfect. It tells us the exact lot size that we are going to be trading with. So on every single one of the accounts, we are going to plug in 28.57, okay? And we are going to press buy, press sell, press sell. Got it? Understand it? Cool. Let's head over the chart and let's get started. Okay, so I am on the first account right now, and we are going to place the first two trades going long with no stop loss. So as you guys can see here, we have 28.57. And the hard part about this is we want to get this at the same exact time, hopefully, so they can kind of be in line with each other. So I have to be quick with this. Okay, so this one is going to be a buy. Boom, done. Trade, go. We place another buy. Okay, boom. Now we go down. Let's make sure this one doesn't have any trades on it. Trade. Now we sell this one. Okay, we go here. I think this is the last one. Yep, no trades on it. Boom, trade, sell. Okay, perfect. So we are in on all of these accounts now. All of them are currently in drawdown, but that's okay. Okay, and what we're looking for is for price to go, make sure we're looking for either 35 to the downside. So let's actually find that here. Find that price. 2260, perfect. Nice, clean, flat number for us. Boom. Okay, and then to the upside. 2330. Boom. Boom. Okay, so this is what we're looking for. This is the long targets. And again, this is only a 5% gain for us. And these are the short targets. And again, this is only a 5% gain. So what we'll need to see is if we can get a little bit lower than this to be able to hit that 8% profit, and a little bit higher than this to see if we can hit that 8% profit. But these are also our stops for, so we have stops here as well, or I'll put this a little bit lower just so we can see it better. And these will actually probably be like right here. Boom, okay, so we have our stops pretty much set at these points, even though they aren't genuinely set, and we have our take profits. I really don't know if this will hit that full profit mark that we need or that we want. Hey man, but we're set, we're locked and loaded. I'll let this run. I'll keep cycling through the accounts on the screen recording so you guys can see how this goes, and I'll give you guys updates as the time goes on, okay? Oh, and something that I forgot to add, this black line of death is essentially when CPI comes out. Okay, so we still have right around like 20 minutes until CPI news data comes out. It's going to be funny. We'll see where price goes. This was our entry point. I'll go ahead and just mark this with a blue line. Oops, spazzing out. Mark this with a blue line so we can see where our actual entry point is. Let's see if any of our trades are in profit right now. Nope. Everything is still in drawdown. Oh, wow, just because price has been consolidating heavily. Or right within this little range, gearing up for CPI to launch this thing. Okay, so we'll see where price goes. We'll see if we're able to pass these accounts. All right, guys, so there is officially 1 minute until CPI hits. We can go over to Forex Factory now, and we can see, boom, 51 seconds left until CPI hits. The sell positions are currently up around, let's see what it's at. It's right around $800 up in profit. I guess what we need to see is just, you know, what, this is crazy, bro. We're going to see what happens to us. We're up, oh, it's already dumping. We're up 2.2K now, obviously on the freaking demo challenge account, but bro, this is gonna be crazy. I'm just going to be on the sell position right now. I'll keep alternating between the two. If the price decides to rip in these next 2 seconds, oh! 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 Okay, we're pushing. Okay, we're up. Oh! Holy shit. Okay, we're at 14K. We're at 14K in profit. 14K in profit. We need to hit 16K on this. If we can get to 16K, I can close out and be done. 15, 15.5, push, go. 16, I closed. Did we get it? Fuck, it didn't get it. Fuck. I need to buy again. Go. I need to get another band out of this. I need to make another band out of this. Fuck! It already fucked up. I need to go to the other buy position. The sell positions are stopped out. Fuck! Load. Sell position stopped out. Where's the other buy position, bro? Okay, this one's for sure done. This one passed. This buy position passed. Let's see the next buy position. We need to make another band. We need to make another band. Fuck, I don't know where it went, bro. Where's the other buy position? Yo, it's not loading. Oh my God, where is this shit? Bro, what the fuck? Am I tripping? Okay, this is the buy position. Bro. No, we need this to go higher for us. Bro. We missed it by $30, bro. And we just bought the top. Fuck. Okay. I'm out. Okay, we got it. We passed both. Okay, now I'm going to go into... No fucking way. Okay, so we passed this account in literally 2 seconds. We passed the other account in 2 seconds as well. Okay, I'm going to delete. Oh my God, and I think I just hit take profit on my other S&P 500 trade. Oh my God, yo, hold on. Okay, so we're now currently in my trader dashboard. As we can see, max daily drawdown was hit on this account. We are going to go check out this one now. Max daily drawdown was hit as well on that. Let's see this one. Phase complete, baby. No fucking way this shit actually worked. No fucking way. Okay, we'll see the other one. This is the moment of truth. Oh my God. Both challenges completed. Yo, and guess what? We have PPI news data tomorrow. So guess what we're going to do with these phase 2 challenges? Now we have 2 phase 2 challenges that are completely passed and ready to do the same thing tomorrow. This is so exciting. I cannot wait to see how this goes. Okay, so we're pausing this for now. I'll see you guys when this comes up tomorrow. Let's go. This needs to turn around right now, bro. Fuck. I swear to God, if I go down 10K and blow this shit,